Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can AirPlay on your TCL Smart TV. So you cannot directly AirPlay on your TCL Smart TV. Unfortunately, the option does not appear. But what you can do is you can simply go to the Play Store. Yeah, and in the Play Store, you can go to the search bar and you can search for Air Screen. And as you can see, the air screen is already showed up here. So this is the app that is going to help you to AirPlay directly from your iPhone. So you can simply click on the install. So after that, you can open your iPhone and you can scroll down and go to the screen mirroring option, and then you're going to see this option, AS Union TV. And when I click on it, yeah, as you can see, my iPhone has been connected to my TCL TV now. I can use my iPhone and it is completely mirrored through the AirPlay option. So this is how you connect your iPhone to your TCL Smart TV through AirPlay. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much.